in this video, what I want to do is to give you some idea of how you could upload documents and associate them with multiple products. So in this instance, I've got two examples of certificate of conformance as PDFs. What I want to do is I want to assign each of them to these two products here. So I can do this in two ways. Either I can actually go into the digital assets, just do a bulk upload of the two documents by dragging them there, allocating them to the products, in this instance, but I'm going to use the manual process to begin with, so you can see how you can do it in both ways. So the first thing I'm going to do is just click into a product, one of the PH-003, go to the digital assets tab and just upload the file. I'll just call it example certificate. Give it a name of conformance. Yeah, so we'll just browse to our file name. Digital assets, we're in here, aren't we? Example. So there's our example one. We want to allocate it to PH-002 as well. So PH-002, because we've gone in this route. 0 if I would help. And in this instance, I want to put it there as well. So we're going to attach it. So it's attached to both documents. I'm going to categorize it, statement of conformity, that'll do. This is an example of multiple allocation of a product of a CC to many products, just so we've got that, and it's nothing to do with the primary product, so we'll just save that. There's our example certificate in this instance, and I might check my other product. So there's my product, there's my certificate that's being allocated, but I'm equally expecting it to have been allocated to PH-002, I believe. So was it 2? Let's just check. PH-004 actually was the product, or 2. So let's have a look and see where we put it. 3 and 2. So let's just go to 2 and see if we've got it there. PH-002, it's on that one. And there's our example certificate. So this is just really showing you the many ways that you can allocate a document to multiple products within the PIM.